In the previous episode, we learned basic knowledge about NFT. In this video, let's go into more advanced details. 1. What is the cost of an NFT? NFTs can range from a few dollars to tens of millions of dollars, depending on the specific asset. If they are works of art, they might have an impressively high value. Let's take the Beeple's Everydays, the first 5,000 days painting as an example. This painting was sold as NFT for nearly $70 million. Or the world's first Twitter post from this social network owner was encrypted and sold for $2.9 million. As for more popular products such as music albums, they cost several tens of dollars. 2. How to own an NFT? Currently, NFT tokens are listed in virtual currency exchanges where users can purchase them quickly. These are several NFT token exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, Wobi Global, Kraken, eToro, Bithumb, Gate.io, etc. Or you can even create your own NFT. Nowadays, with the development of technology, creating an NFT is not too difficult. In just a few steps, you can create your own NFT, and even list it for sale on the NFT marketplace. If you want to know more about cryptocurrency, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell to receive updates from me. 3. Potential NFT token. Currently, the market has a wide range of NFT tokens for us to choose from. The following are the top 3 most prominent names. Theta, current market capitalization, more than $10 billion US. Maximum total supply, 1 billion theta. Theta is a product of Theta Network, a well-known blockchain-based distribution network. You can earn Theta tokens by forwarding videos to other users who are also watching the same content. Chiliz, CHZ, current market capitalization, 2.3 billion USD. Maximum total supply, 8,888,888,888 CHZ. Chiliz, CHZ, is a blockchain-based technology platform in the field of sports. It belongs to a platform called Socios.com. Users can buy cryptocurrency and vote for their favorite sports teams and clubs here. Chiliz platform pays for clubs, esports teams, and other organizations when they join Chiliz's system. Axie Infinity, current market capitalization, 2.5 billion USD. Maximum total supply, 61 million AXS. This NFT token was founded by a Vietnamese. AXS is the cryptocurrency of a famous game, named Axie Infinity, which is also a blockchain-based game. Besides these 3 prominent names, Decentraland, Mana, EngineCoin, ENJ, Digibyte, DGB, Bakery Token, Bake, Origin Protocol, OGN, Chromia, CHR, etc. also have their specific potential and features. 4. How to choose the most profitable NFT games for investment. The NFT gaming business has received a lot of attention from investors. If you are interested in this field, it is important to evaluate potential NFTs. Basically, we should consider the following 3 factors with an NFT. Community. The NFT game project basically is still a game. The more the potential, the larger the community, and the hotter the game. As a result, the game assets you purchase with NFT will be highly sought after and have a high market value. To know which community has potential, it is necessary to consider the game's regular players and engagement on the game's official social networks. Game development team. It is important to comprehensively know the founder or builder of any investment project. NFT projects in the game industry are frequently established early, and many firms are still quite new, therefore sales cannot be read. So the more reputable the team of project people, the more reliable they are. Take time to do research on the game developers as well as those who run businesses and market them, to get a complete overview. Token price history. Viewing the up and down history of the token will give us a certain view of the value of the project. You should consider whether the current price is appropriate or not, the period of upgoing and downgoing price, the reasons why that trend happened, etc. Purchasing tokens when the ETO, initial DEX offering, project is only getting started is not a wise decision because the new price will be fairly high. NFT games that have been on the floor for a month or longer may be thoroughly investigated to see the pricing history. Understanding the definition of NFT is not difficult, but to make smart and profitable investments is still a tough question that not everyone knows for sure. But either way, NFT is still an interesting product segment and has the potential to explode even more in the future. So that is the end of our video. Hope you can now understand the advanced aspects of NFT. Don't forget to like and subscribe to CoinF Master for more useful videos.